Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with a crazy hot Kroger weekend sale alert that will run from Friday the 26th of July and then Saturday the 27th. Some really great deals here. And first up, I do want to say, if you watched my 5X participating items video and you are still here on my channel, thank you so much. I tried a new format out for the 5X digital event, and I asked for y'all's feedback, and a lot of you really hated that. So I gotta say, I'm really sorry unless you hated that, and we won't do it again. I can kind of see y'all's points on why it wasn't so good. Most of you were polite about it. A couple of you were kind of rude, but I guess it's my fault for asking for feedback. I should have just been prepared to get some rude comments. Most of you were very nice about it. Even if you didn't like it, you were polite about it, and I do appreciate that. So just wanted to say I am sorry. I went back and looked at the video. I totally can see how that was confusing. In my head, it was supposed to be better really than how it was. And I just didn't get the clear picture of how bad it really turned out. So I got to say, if you watch that video and you're disappointed in me, please don't give up on me. I am trying to figure some stuff out here for my crazy back to school schedule coming up and how I'm going to continue to manage to do everything. But so that's why I've been trying new formats out to see if it'd be easier, but really it wasn't any easier, and really it wasn't any good. So yeah, got to focus on quality on this channel. So rest assured, the video, the 5X participating items list, that format will never come back. So you don't have to worry about that. You might be thinking, what in the world are you talking about? If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's fine. So let's just dive right into this. We have this awesome deal here on the Crayola colored pencils. This is crazy. This is a hot price. They're 49 cents at the 5X digital. You know, think outside the box here. Maybe you don't have a kid who's going back to school. Think Christmas. I mean, seriously, if you have someone who likes to draw in your family, get them some colored pencils. You're never going to find it this cheap again. These are 75% off. They're regularly $1.99. Great for gifts. If you got kids, get them for your kids to do crafts with and even donate to the back to school drives. 49 cents is a phenomenal price. All right, so now we have the Hostess snack cakes. They're $1.49 with the 5X digital coupon. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate for Twinkies, so 49 cents for Twinkies. Oh my gosh, I love Twinkies. So that is such a great price for the Twinkies right there. You really can't beat that price. That's an amazing deal. So I don't think I've ever seen Twinkies for 49 cents. So if you like Twinkies, go for that one. So this next deal here is on the Belvita. This is an awesome one. They're $1.49 on the 5X digital. There's 75 cent off 2 coupon. I believe it was on the 6.9 Smart Source. I could be wrong there. And then there also is a $1 on 2 savings star if you haven't already done it. So that could be amazing. Amazing. That would make it $1.23 for 2 of them. That's just, you don't see deals like that every day. So even if you're just using the coupon in the sale, even if you're just doing that $1.49 sale, it's a great price for those. So awesome. So we also have the Sour Punch and Swedish Fish. They are 99 cents with the DQ, the digital coupon, not Dairy Queen. Obviously, I just realized that. I was typing this all up tonight. I've used DQ many times, but then for some reason tonight it dawned on me DQ is Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen sounds so good right now. But anyways, 99 cents with the digital coupon. It's a really good deal because they're $1.88 at Walmart. So yeah, if you're watching, I usually don't do the mid-video polls here, but if you're still watching, tell me what is your favorite Blizzard flavor, or do you not get Blizzards at Dairy Queen? I typically go to McDonald's for my Blizzards, or McFlurries. They're called McFlurries at McDonald's. And they came out with this new one called the Stroopwafel. Oh my gosh. The Stroopwafel McFlurry is the best McFlurry ever. It is so good. It's Stroopwafel, which is like an international dessert style thing, mixed in with ice cream. It's so good. So if you guys have never had the Stroopwafel, go try it. So tell me down there below, what's your favorite Blizzard or McFlurry flavor? And have you had the Stroopwafel McFlurry? If not, go to McDonald's like right now and get it. It's worth it. It's so good. So we also have all these Lipton teas plus Starbucks 40-ounce cold brew, $2.99. pretty good. I mean, it's all right. It's not like the best deal here. I truly think the best deals are the Crayola, the Hostess, and the Velveeta. But this is not a bad price. Finally, we have the Kroger chicken wings. 2.5 pound bag for $4.99 with that digital coupon. Really, really great price there for the chicken wings. So yeah, that's all that I have for now. Sure, check out my other Kroger videos if you haven't already. They'll be down in the description box below. And you just don't want to pass those up. Some of these are really great deals. Check out yesterday's video because there's some good stuff. Not gonna lie, that participating items video was rough, but you learn from your mistakes. And I learned that I'm never gonna do that kind of format again. But never hurts to try new things out and see what you think. So, yep, that's all that I have for now. I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.